This is my definition of happiness. Just give me all this on the daily, please. Thank you.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I'm living my best life. I wake up with the sunrise. It does not.
Que tú me tienes temblando de noche y de día. Tú me hiciste mujer.
I'm not lazy. I just don't feel like doing anything. Selected participation.
Let's try and get you out of your comfort zone.
Why would we want to do that? It's called the comfort zone for a reason.